Hey guys, it's me, Big Mass Test 230 here. And today I'm here with the Black& Decker. The Black& Decker 3-in-1 stick. Lightweight corded vacuum. Quick release handle easily converts to a hand vac. Brush attachment for fabrics and delicate surfaces. Crevice tool for hard to reach places. Washable HEPA filter traps dirt, dust, and pollen. Bright LED headlights. And pivot steering, swivel steering, side to side, up and down. This is everything it comes with. The motor unit itself with an LED light. The chrome handle, which is metal. The floor head. The crevice tool, the filter, and the brush. This is $22 at Walmart. My sister got me this for me. And turn around, this is everything that comes in the box. Your handle, your crevice tool, your dusting brush, your floor nozzle, the hand manual, and the hand vac. And this is model number EV1416. And it has 120 volts, 60 hertz, 400 watts. It was manufactured 04 of 2023. And when you get your machine, I don't know where it went, but there will be a piece of foam on these two metal contacts that you have to take off. So, let's get this machine assembled, which is fairly easy. This machine has these little tiny nubs right here, which correspond with this inlet here. And you have to make sure you line it up in those contacts in there. So you're going to take your head, line it up, and you're going to stand it and push it into place. And then you should be able to look and see the contacts being pushed in. So you have to make sure you have it fully seated. Here's your LED light right there. To access the bin, you're gonna push this lever. Give me a sec while I grab my camera stand. So, you just push this button in right here, which just releases that latch. And this is the inside of the bin. Here's your plated HEPA filter. It's never been turned on. This is a HEPA plated filter. And this is the inside of the bin with the rubber stopper. Those are the two contacts that go up to the bin. So you cannot submerge this bin because it contains metal conductors. But you can use surface wipes, like antibacterial surface wipes, and give it a wipe out. Because those two pins connect up right there. You have this foam filter right here, which is the pre-motor, no, post-motor. And then there's your fan down in there. Nice metal fan. And then this is simply clicks back into place. Now you lift this tab up all the way. You take your handle and you slide it down into place with the tab until you hear it lock. And then obviously you wrap your cord around on the unit. There's no place to store these on board, but they do all attach to the main body. And there's going to be more videos, this replacing the Bissell 3-in-1 that I had on my channel that broke. And I'm going to be there's me test coming here in a little bit, where I'm going to be testing it against this 5-year-old Dirt Devil Versa Clean. That this vacuum is 5 years old. So I'm going to be doing performance testing against this machine and this one to see if this one can outperform a 5-year-old machine that still performs fantastic. So like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.